I think there's a good slide that does the rounds, I think, on LinkedIn and socials. It's by IBM in the 70s, and it talks about no machine should have decision-making capabilities or management capabilities, maybe it says, because it can't be held accountable. Now, that accountability is really important. It's also a separation between decision-making and accountability. Now, if you talk about agentic AI and whatever may come over the next decade, all for autonomous decision making, that's just going to happen. There's no way you can let get in the way of that and put the genie back in the bottle. That's going to happen. The autonomous decision making, which is perfectly legitimate if you have accountability of a chain of accountability around who has the final say, who is going to be the person on the hook in a court of law to say, yes, that was me. That was my responsibility to do so. And I think soon as you have a disconnection there, you have a whole host of liability issues and process issues and governance issues around how that data processing or how that organization should be run. So it was really all about saying, look, we have this brand new world potentially of autonomous decision making, which is absolutely necessary and scalable. But you have to have some sort of accountability there. And it may just start off being a team. It could be a team that responds to an OAuth 2 client. This SecOps team owns this particular OAuth 2 client. Perfectly fine, because you then know who in that team to go and knock on the door and say, hey, this OAuth 2 client is whatever, behaving suspiciously or whatever it can be. But you need to have that lineage, I think, to a physical person. Yeah, maybe 100 years from now or 50 years from now, we do have bot wars. And, I watched the film recently, the Electric State, it was called Electric State film. That was pretty sci-fi with robots and humans and stuff. And there's absolutely some potentially terrifying use cases ahead. But
so being held accountable for an AI would be, you're getting unplugged for 10 years. It's like going to jail.
Exactly. So yeah, I think the whole thing about the laws was having these sort of conversations. I think you got to start somewhere, I think.